Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the upper chimney cover on your canopy vent hood, place a blanket over the cooktop to protect the surface. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the upper chimney cover to the mounting bracket. With the screws removed, you can detach both the upper and lower chimney covers from the vent hood. Slide the upper chimney cover out of the lower cover. Install the new upper chimney cover by sliding it into the lower cover. Now align the lower cover on the vent hood. Then lift the upper cover up to the ceiling. Thread the screws to secure the cover to the mounting bracket. With the chimney covers secured, the vent hood should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.